Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to know which of your properties are older and what are new acquisitions? Or know what is a 4 or 5-star property? Let me introduce you to property tagging. Think of these as a smart way to tag and segment and categorize your properties. You can also generate those monthly reports by your tags as well.
Alright, let's open the Tether portal. You can set up your property tags when you create a new property. As you navigate to the bottom, you'll find the tags field. Here, you can input custom tags as per your requirements. It's versatile. You can assign multiple tags to each property. When you create new tags, they will also be saved, so if you're adding the same tags to multiple properties, they'll be under here for you to easily select from. For those with existing properties, head to the Properties section. Choose the property you'd like to tag and click Edit. Then scroll down and remove the old tag and input the new. Now to generate a report by these tags. Back in the Tether portal, under the Property tab, look for the Generate Monthly Report button in the top right. Select your date range, pick the date you want to focus on, and voila! Your customized report is ready for analysis with all the properties that have this tag associated to it. Thanks for tuning in.